Hello students, welcome to metrology and quality control classes. So in previous lecture, we saw the sigma comparator working principle constructions, advantage, disadvantages, applications, and pneumatic comparator construction working principle, and then advantage, disadvantages, applications. So in this lecture, we will study electrical comparator and electronic comparator. Content of the lecture. Working principle of electrical comparator, advantages, disadvantages and applications of electrical comparator, working principle of electronic comparator, advantages and disadvantages of electronic comparator. So in this lecture we will study briefly about electrical and electronic comparator. So now we will go and we will see working principle of electrical comparator. Working principle of electrical comparator. It works on a mutual inductance principle. When K is inserted in a magnetic field, primary windings, the voltage induced in a secondary proportional to the coarse portion. Right? It works on a mutual inductance principle पे ये use करते हैं. So it is the primary winding, the voltage induced in the secondary is proportional to the coarse position. The basic principle is to convert the change in displacement into change of electrical signal. If ये चेंज इन इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल को हमने डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो रहते हैं वो इलेक्ट्रिकल का रूप में चेंज कर देते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल का रूप में चेंज करते हैं. द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिकल ट्रांसड्यूसर इज यूज्ड टू कन्वर्ट टू मैकेनिकल डिस्प्लेसमेंट इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल. सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का हमारा डिस्प्लेसमेंट हमने यूज करते हैं ट्रांसड्यूसर ने, वो हमारा चेंज करते हैं. राइट. सो इफ यू सी इन दिस पिक्चर, here there is a armature A, this is armature B. So it is in a plunger. It is in a thin steel strips that will be supports the armature. Right. Here the working principle of electrical comparator is based on the whetstone bridge circuit. Right. whetstone bridge circuit में हम लोग इसको यूज होता है. डिपेंड अपॉन देयर ऑपरेशन whetstone bridge circuit incorporating a galvanometer. In this comparator, the moment of the measuring contact is converted into electrical signal. So the change of displacement into change of electrical signal का रूप में convert. The electrical signal is recorded by an instrument which can be calibrated in terms of प्लंजर मूवमेंट का इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल का हमने इसमें रिकॉर्ड करके देख सकते हैं. तो सी हाउ इट विल बी. हियर देयर इज ए one coil is there, that is A, and then another coil is B. Right. The another coil is B. Right. When the distance of the armature of the surface from the two coils are equal, so the distance between the armature A, armature B, that will be same, and the whetstone bridge is balanced and no current flows into the galvanometer. Here the whetstone bridge is connected to the this one, so there is no current flows through the armature. There is no current flows through galvanometer, एंड दिस ये गैल्वेनोमीटर का थ्रू हमारा करंट जो है कनेक्ट नहीं होते. ये जो है गैल्वेनोमीटर whetstone ब्रिज को कनेक्ट होते हैं, यहाँ पे हमारा इसमें कनेक्ट करके रखते हैं. सो स्लाइट मूवमेंट ऑफ द प्लंजर, इफ दिस इज इन ए स्लाइट मूवमेंट, it is in a slight movement in the plunger, the unbalance the bridge, resulting the flow of current through the galvanometer. So what happened, if ये unbalance होते हैं, so automatically it touch करेगा, then there is a unbalance, the automatically current will flow through the Whetstone bridge galvanometer. The scale of the galvanometer is calibrated to give the moments of the plunger. In the galvanometer, this is in a galvanometer, so it will give you a reading. So how the plunger will be moves, that will be converted into the electrical signal, maybe 1 volts or 2 volts, 3 volts. So 1 volts means 1 mm, 2 volts means 2 mm, 3 volts means 3 mm. So like this will be happen. The scale of the galvanometer is calibrated into the give the measurement of the plungers. So there is a electrical comparators have a minimum moving parts. So electrical comparators has a moving parts as a less moving parts, right? So it will be works on Whetstone bridge circuit में incorporating हो रहता है galvanometer में. इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपैरेटर्स आर बेस्ड ऑन Whetstone ब्रिज सर्किट मेजरमेंट, राइट? हम लोग देखे हैं Whetstone ब्रिज सर्किट में ये हमारा डिपेंड होके रहते हैं. This is construction and working of electrical comparator. What we saw, so this is in a plunger, right? And what we are going to test, this is in a testing, it is in a working table, right? So the galvanometer and everything will be connected here, right? This is in a galvanometer, right? The cable is going here. So the comparator height adjustment handle, so if any workpiece higher, so it will go smooth, and if any component is small, that will comes into the downward position. So what happened, the plunger will be moves and working. So in previous slide we saw that the armature will be, when unbalances will come, the current flows through the galvanometer, so it will be shows the reading. So because of if there is no unbalances, that means there is no touch with the armature, it means there is no unbalance, so there is no current flows through the galvanometer, so automatically it will be shows in a 0 reading. So the construction and working of electrical comparator, so working based on the Whetstone bridge circuit में हम लोग यूज करके ये इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपैरेटर यूज होते हैं. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: high range and ranging from 1.25 mm to 250 mm तक हम लोग इसको मेजर कर सकते हैं. सो कोई भी डिफ्लेक्शन है. फ्रिक्शनल एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल आइसोलेशन इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज देर इज नो फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट बिटवीन द मूवेबल पार्ट्स. सो फ्रिक्शनल एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल आइसोलेशन इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ देर इज नो फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट. हाई इनपुट एंड सेंसिटिविटी, and then low hysteresis, and then low power consumption. Disadvantages: if you see the disadvantages, so it requires relatively large displacement for appreciable output. So large displacement हम लोग इसको require पड़ता है for appreciable output लेने के लिए. Many times the transformer performance is affected by the vibrations. So sometimes what happen, so vibrations की वजह से हमारा इफेक्ट्स हो सकता है, राइट? परफॉर्मेंस जो है कम हो सकता है. डायनेमिक रिस्पॉन्स इज लिमिटेड, एंड देन इफेक्ट ऑफ एक्यूरेसी इज एक्यूरेसी में इफेक्ट बढ़ सकता है. देर आर नो चांसेस ऑफ पैरेलैक्स एरर. सो गैल्वेनोमीटर डायरेक्ट रीडिंग आएगा, सो देर इज नो पैरेलैक्स एरर. When we see applications of electrical comparator, it can be used in all application where displacement range of fraction of millimeter to few centimeters. If any displacement you want, maybe centimeter to mm, so that time you can use the electrical comparators. Acting as a secondary transducer, it can be used as a device to measure the force, weight and pressure etc. सो इट समटाइम्स क्या है, ये सेकेंडरी रिड्यूसर ट्रांसड्यूसर के रूप में काम करते हैं. इट कैन बी यूज्ड टू एडवाइस टू मेजर द फोर्स, वेट एंड प्रेशर एक्सेट्रा. वन is working principle of electronic comparator. So if you see in an electronic comparator, right, The electronic comparator is based on the application of frequency modulation and radio oscillations. Frequency modulations का application में and radio oscillation का application में use work करते हैं. So movement at the probe tip actuate the inductance of transducer which is supplied with an AC from an oscillator. So ऑसिलेटर को ट्रांसड्यूसर को कनेक्शन होते हैं. मूवमेंट ऑफ द प्रोब चेंजेस ऑसिलेटर फ्रीक्वेंसी विच इज डीमॉड्यूलेटेड एंड फीड इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपैरेटर सर्क्यूट्स. द चेंजेस इन द फ्रीक्वेंसी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द प्रीसेट फ्रीक्वेंसी इज मेजर ऑफ लीनियर मेजरमेंट. If you see this one, the plunger will attached with the transducer. What is the transducer function? So इस मैकेनिकल सिग्नल को हमने इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल का रूप में चेंज कर देते. So then which is supplied with the an AC from an oscillator, right? And then it is goes to amplifier. So amplifier में ये amplify होते हैं, means oscillator में frequency बढ़ाना है घटाना है. So ये oscillator frequency जो है बढ़ाते हैं. So which is demodulated and feed into electrical comparator circuit. So then it will be goes to the demodulator में जाते हैं. Then that will be shows in a meter. If any unchanges will comes, automatically the meter maybe amperes, maybe voltage what we are using here. So it will be shows into the direct reading, right? This is a working principle of electronic comparator. Construction and then working of electronic comparator. If you see this one, the display unit consists of all electronics. So this display unit consists of all electrical items. It has a needle moving over a circular scale. Several knobs of range selection, zero settings and other adjustment will be there, and the light indicator to display the inspection results. So the light indicators will be used for the indicators, right? These are the adjustable knobs. And then for inspection, the standard piece will be put here, right? The standard inspection master component will put here below the plunger, and light contact is made. So यहाँ पे हमने plunger को यहाँ पे हमने टच करके देखते हैं. पहले स्टैंडर्ड पीस को सेट कर देते हैं. वी कैन रिमूव द स्टैंडर्ड पीस इंस्टेड ऑफ इन प्लेस ऑफ वर्क मास्टर पीस वी कैन पुट द वर्क पीस हियर, राइट? The appropriate range is selected. The range may vary micron to millimeter level. The range is selected based on the required level of tolerance, right? After selecting the range of zero setting knob is operated to select the read zero. Now standard is taken out the components. So first of all we have to set the zero, and then we can remove the standard piece and we can put the workpiece here. Now the deviation from the set value can be directly read on the scale. If any problem will come, we can see how much deflection will be there here, right? The light indication display unit conveys whether the workpiece within the tolerance limit or not. So there is a lights will be there, right? If any deviations, means if tolerance range will be there, it is okay. If tolerance will be more than that of less than that of, that will be shows in readings. Suppose a green light indicates the tolerance within the tolerance. Suppose if any green light will be there, that will be shows in within the tolerance. If any if out of tolerance, positive side indicated by the amber light. If negative side will comes, that will shows the red light. So this is the construction and working of electronic comparator. If you see, this is a screw, this is a stand, the wire is connected to here, right? The oscillator and everything will be here only. The plunger movement and transducer may be here inside the component only. So transducer everything will be the plunger and the fine adjustments through how much length workpiece will be there. Based on that we can adjustable this plunger, right? This we can adjust the plunger. This is the construction and working of electronic comparator. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: electronic comparators have a high accuracy and reliability. So electronic comparator क्या है हमारा, high accuracy देते हैं and reliability भी है. high accuracy and reliability भी है. So these comparators have a high sensitivity in all ranges. So this comparator give a high sensitivity in all ranges, so millimeter to centimeter. So you can think about what one. So 1 mm difference है, 1 centimeter difference है, 0.5 mm difference है. So that will be shows this one. These have a high speed response. So response will be very high speed. It can easily be integrated with automated system. It can be easily be integrated with automated system, right? There is a provision of multiple amplification ranges. There is a provision for multiple amplification ranges will be there, right? Disadvantages. Yes, the comparator requires an external agency, AC current supply, to operate. The fluctuation in voltage or frequency of electrical supply may be affected. If any voltage or if any frequency will be there automatically, so it is a disadvantages in an electronic comparator, right? And these are more expensive than mechanical comparator. These are all more expensive than the mechanical comparator, right? Frequent calibration at regular interval is required due to occurrence of zero drift. तो frequent calibration हम लोग को ज़रूरत पड़ता है जीरो ड्रिफ्ट को हम लोग ने सेट करने के लिए in this electronic comparator पे. In this lecture what we saw, इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपैरेटर के प्रिंसिपल यूज़ करके किया है. वेटस्टोन ब्रिज के ऊपर में ये काम करता है बोल के हम लोग इसमें सुने हैं. गैल्वेनोमीटर में हमारे रीडिंग्स वगैरह चेंज होते हैं बोल. नेक्स्ट उसमें नेक्स्ट वन एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपैरेटर देखे है. कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड वर्किंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपैरेटर को देखे है. हमने वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपैरेटर को देखे है. कंस्ट्रक्शन उसका देखे है. उसके एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस भी हम लोग देखे. सो एप्लीकेशन लाइक एज ए electrical comparator. So in electrical comparator is also called as a LVDT. So LVDT करके भी हम लोग electrical comparator को बोल सकते हैं, right? You can remember that one, LVDT. Electrical comparator is also known as a LVDT करके हम लोग इसको बोल सकते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये हमारा कंपैरेटर्स का चैप्टर का हम लोग पढ़े हैं. सो फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर द कंपैरेटर पोर्शन विल बी कंप्लीटेड. द कंपैरिजन पोर्शन विल बी कंप्लीटेड. So these are the reference books. If you go through these books, it will be give more about the electrical comparator and electronic comparator. Some of the books they written electrical and electronic comparator is combined. So the function also electronics means all will be an oscillator, demodulator, amplifier, transducer. These are all will comes into the electronic devices. That's why they written as a electronic comparator. In this lecture we studied electrical comparator and electronic comparator. So from this lecture we completed comparator portion, means 1.2 standards and comparator portion was completed. So in the last lecture 1.3 angular devices, एंगुलर डिवाइसेस के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं. सो लीनियर डिवाइसेस था, एंगुलर डिवाइसेस भी था. सो एंगुलर डिवाइसेस में हम लोग क्या क्या आते हैं, कौन कौन पॉइंट है, एंगल हम लोग कैसे नापते हैं, क्या क्या इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. सो हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर हम लोग ने देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग उसको पढ़ सकते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग ने अभी तक हम लोग इसको अच्छे से पढ़े हैं. सो ये हम लोग यूनिट टेस्ट में, हमारा ऑनलाइन टेस्ट में ये इतना पोर्शन तक हमारा सिलेबस रहेगा. प्लीज़ गो हेड दैट वन. सो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग फिर अगेन वी कैन मीट इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू.